अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। माय चैनल नेम इज़ आकिब इन्फो। मेरे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ में लगे बेल आइकन के बटन को भी दबाएं ताकि हमारे आने वाले से नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। चलिए एवरीवन, बढ़ते हैं आज की वीडियो के साथ। आज मैं बताऊँगी वेरी ऑफ बैंक एंड स्टॉक मार्केट कंसिडर दिस अल्टरनेटिव्स mistrust towards bank and other financial institutions promotes more faithful individuals to seek alternative avenues to park their capital. Other may be avoiding the bank on principle, given the participation in the rackets in the reckless lending that led up to the housing bubbles bursting and triggered the Great Recession. Was after last year's wildly volatile stock market, banks have started looking safer, but all the same, it's worth looking at these alternatives. One in particular is considered the safest place to keep cash. Keep takeaways. The FDIC protections for deposit make bank look appealing in the difficult times, but there are alternative places to put money. Federal bonds are considered very safe, but have very low return. Real estate can provide income but can be risky. Precious metals, especially gold, offer an alternative to stock and bonds. Luxury assets are tangible but lack stock market return. Hiding cash is not secure and losses value over the cost of inflation because business are another place to put money, including farms. Cryptocurrency is a new alternative but comes with its new risk. Where do banks invest their money? Bank offered their customers a place to stash their cash safely for a modest return in interest. In turn, the bank invests the cash, aiming for higher return. First and foremost, they lend it out to business and consumer as well as making a profit from the interest payment. They also make money on the fees they charge their customers for various services. In addition, banks invest a portion of the money directly in assets such as real estate, bonds, and stocks. Note that today banking giant have investment banking division as well as commercial banking service. That's a whole separate revenue stream that involves financial management and consulting service of corporation and wealthy individuals. Why keep money outside of the bank? The website for the FDIC states that no depositor has ever lost a penny of insured deposit since the FDIC was created in 1933. But FDIC insurance only covers $250,000 per depositor per FDIC insured bank per ownership category. This applies to both the initial principal and interest earned. Meanwhile, investment in the A500 index have a yield and average return of about 8% over the past 60 years. But the long-term record for a solid return in the stock market is dotted with downturns that shake the confidence of some investors. Most stock indexes dropped by 4% to 6% overall in 2018. For example, that was the worst record in 10 years until we got the market drops triggered by the economic crisis. If you are still looking for alternative places to park money, here are 7 possibilities. Federal bonds, the US Treasury and Federal Reserve would be more than happy to take your funds and issue US securities in return, and a very safe one at that. US government bond still qualifies in most textbooks as a risky free security. Unfortunately, many individuals and institutions already on outside have entered the bond market ahead of you, which had bid bond rates to very low levels in the time of crisis. On April 9, 2020, the yield from a 10-year treasury note was 0.73%, an all-time low. If the low rates do not deter your government bonds are one of the safest places to keep cash. Real estate is disquieting times for the bank and the stock market. The allure of real estate investment can be strong. Become a landlord, put down some of the principal on a property, fix it up a bit, rent it out, and have your tenants pay off a mortgage. Or if you are interested in a shorter term opportunity and have more experience, maybe try flipping houses. Those done right, real estate can have a huge financial upside, yet it can also be a risk and sometimes vehicle investment. True investments and diversified real estate investment have averaged about a 10% return in the past 20 years, which is slightly better than in the S&P 500 in the period. But real estate can be an unreliable investment, especially in the short term. An extreme example is the housing bubble that burst that led to Great Recession, the global economic downturn, and began in 2007. resulted in the millions of people losing their jobs and home setting in housing market. कैश हमारे चैनल को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.